Hello friends, today's topic is polynomials as we have made 6 part and understood 6 part based on the chapter polynomials, and this is the 7th part of the chapter polynomials. So today we are going to learn what, with the help of the properties that we have, or the formulas that we have learned in the previous classes, their application, that how to apply them while seeing the sums. So let's begin with the first sum friends. So before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. Our first sum is x plus 4x plus 10. After seeing this sum, one formula comes in my mind, that is x plus a, x plus b, and their answer. You all have to pause the video and try to solve by this formula. You have to apply this formula and try to solve by your own. I am solving over here for you only. X square plus a plus b, x plus ab. This was the answer for that formula. So now we will put the values in this formula I am writing over here so that we can solve it directly over here. So that sum is related to, I am writing, first thing I am writing formula x plus a into x plus b, and the formula was x square plus in bracket a plus b x plus ab. After writing the formula we have to just put the question so that we can easily solve. Now I am writing question below the sum. That's the same sum we have got. Now what we have to do, we have to, x is to be as x and a we have to assume as 4 and b we have to assume as 10. From that we can relate with our question. Yes friend, we have to just put the value of a and b in the sum so that we can get our answer. X square as it is plus a plus b. A means 4, b means 10. X as it is, that means a means 4, b means 10. We are doing like this. Now x square, 10 plus 4, that means 14x would be there, and plus 4 into 10, 40. So this is our answer. I hope you all might be getting it friends. That was the easy type of sum. We have to just find the formula and just apply or use the formula so that we can easily find the answer. That was very simple type of sums. I hope you all might be capable of solving this type of sum by your own. Similarly, you can solve second sum by your own. So here you have to pause the video and try to solve by your own. That is also easier some friends. So if you have by hearted the formulas that were given to you in previous classes, then you would be easily able to solve by your own. Yes friends, same formula applies over here in this sum also. So I am writing same formula, a plus b, sorry, x plus a into x plus b, so that we can easily relate it with that. X plus a into x plus b, x square plus in bracket a plus b x plus ab. Yes friends, now we have to just put the values, and after writing the sum we will easily able to relate it. Here it is x plus 8 and here it is x minus 10. So what we have to see friends, we have got the value of a as plus 8 and value of b as minus 10, value of a as plus 8 and value of b as minus 10. I hope you all might be getting it friends. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to just put the value in the given equation. X square plus a means 8, b means minus 10 and x as it is. Similarly over here, a means 8 and b means minus 10, that we are supposed to multiply. Now x square plus 8 minus 10, that would be minus 2, that means minus 2x plus 8 into minus 10, that would be minus 80. So our answer would be x square minus 2x minus 80. I hope you all might be able to solve by your own and got this type of answer only. I hope you all have enjoyed till now. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the next sum, that is the third sum. Yes friends, so let's try to solve the third sum. So here you can pause the video and try to solve by your own friends. And in third sum also we are going to use this formula only. How, I am going to explain you that how this formula would be used in the third sum also. Yes friends, so let's start with the third sum. So if you are capable of doing by your own, pause the video and try to solve by your own. I am solving over here for you. Yes friends, so let's begin with that. Now our first thing, as per our formula, we need x in the first place. What we need? We need x. Yes friends, but our sum is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. This is our sum. Yes friends, so before putting the values or comparing it with our formula, let's solve it little bit so that we can easily compare and find the values as we have find in the previous sums also. Yes, we want x in the first place, but here it is 3x. Yes friends, so instead of relating it with x as 3x, we can do as we can divide all the terms by 3 so that we will get the value for x. What we have to do friends, we have to divide it by 3. Can we do that thing? No, we cannot do that. So what we can do? We can do that means what we can do friends, we have to take or divide 3 from each and every one. We should multiply 3 with each and every one and 3 should be taken as common. Let me show you that what I am going to tell you and how I am going to explain it to you. So what we can do friends, first thing, 3x plus 4 it is there, so let's divide it by 3. Yes, if we will divide it by 3, we need to multiply it with 3 also. So let's solve it individually. This is our first sum 3x plus 4 and this is our second sum 3x minus 5. Let us calculate by taking it as two individual and different sums. Yes friends, now afterwards we will relate them. I want to take 3, divide 3 in both the terms. Can I do that? No, but the thing that I can do is multiply it with 3 and then divide it by 3. Multiplying with 3, now dividing it by 3. That means we have not done anything with our sum. That's the thing friends. Now 3 into what we can do, 3x. So let's write one more step so that you would be easily able to understand it properly. This is the thing that we can do. Yes friends, now after further solving it, this should be cancelled. So what we will get as 3x plus 4 by 3. Now in this we have got the value as, after solving, as 3 into x plus 4 by 3. I hope you all might be able to solve it by own and all have understood it properly. What we have done friends, we have multiplied with 3 and divided with 3 so that the equation does not get changed. So I have multiplied with 3 and divided with 3. Now 3 is to be taken inside the bracket so that it can be solved further. So after solving it further, we got the value as 3x plus 4 by 3. I am writing over here 3x plus 4 by 3. Yes friends, now we'll solve for 3x minus 5. Similarly we'll solve for this also. That means how we are going to solve, 3 should be multiplied and 3 should be divided. Yes, now what same thing we have to do, 3 as it is. Now 3x by 3 minus 5 by 3. 3 should be cancelled, so our value would be 3 into x minus 5 by 3. This thing we have done because we want x to be there so that we can relate it with our formula. I hope you all might be getting it. So what we have got friends, 3 into x minus 5 by 3. So let's write it over here, 3 into x minus 5 by 3. Yes friends, till this thing we have done and I hope you all have understood it over here. Now what we can do, instead of, as we want to multiply 3 with both the numbers and they all are in multiplication, so what we can do, 3 into 3, they all should be multiplied. They can be multiplied. How? This 3 and this 3 can be multiplied, so it will be making as 9. This 3 and this 3 after multiplication will become 9. So let's do it so that you can easily solve and relate it with the formula. So I have taken 9 over here and that 3 has gone. Now we can relate it easily with the formula. Yes friends, so let's see how we can relate it with formula. A should be taken as 4 by 3 and B should be taken as minus 5 by 3. A we have taken as 4 by 3 and B as minus 5 by 3. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's put the value for A and B in the equation. 9 we have to take outside and the formula works for the inside one. Yes friends. Now what we have to do, x square as it is plus a means 4 by 3 we have written, b means minus 5 by 3 I have written, x as it is plus bracket me a means 4 by 3, it means minus 5 by 3. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. Till now we have done our sum. I hope you all have understood till now. So now what we are supposed to do, 9 as it is, let's solve it further. X square plus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 would be minus 1 by 3. As the denominators are same, we all know how to do it. Yes friends, 4 minus 5. I am solving over here. 4 minus 5 by 3, that would be 1 by 3. And the greater number is 5 and having minus sign, so our answer would be minus 1 by 3. Yes, so I am writing minus 1 by 3x over here. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. Now what we are supposed to do, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. We need multiplication and they are in plus into minus. That means different sign. The answer would be in as per our sign rule. They both are having different sign means the answer would be negative. So I have put it the negative sign. So what we can do now, 3 multiplied by 3 in denominator. So first let's solve for the denominator. That means 3 multiplied by 3 would be 9 in the denominator. And for the numerator 4 into 5, that would be 20, minus 5 was there. So for the sign we have already done it previously. I hope you all might be getting it till now. Yes friends, now we'll solve little bit further so that we can get up to the answer that would be simpler. So it would become 9 should be multiplied and bracket should be open. It would multiply 9x square. So 9 by 3, 9 by 3 in this way, 9 by 3x. So 3, 3, this cancel. So it will become 3x. Yes, I hope you all might be getting it. So our answer is 3x minus 20 should be multiplied with 9 and 9 is in denominator. 9, 9 get cancelled. So what we have got friends? Minus 20. I hope you all might be getting it. So our answer is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. This is our answer. I hope you all might be getting it. Yes friends. So let's begin with the next sum. So if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day friends. If you are capable of doing it by your own, then pause the video and try to solve the fourth sum by your own friends. I am solving over here for you only. So let's begin with the fourth sum. In the fourth sum, which formula we are going to use? A plus b into a minus b. We can relate it with that also. Yes friends. Yes or no? We can relate it with that also. No, sorry. The formula would be a square plus b square. Yes. Or a plus b or a minus b. I hope you all might be getting it friends. How we are going to solve it. Yes, you would be easily able to solve by your own also. So y we can take as y square we can take as a and 3 by 2 as b. So before solving this sum we need to assume something. We'll assume y square as a and 3 by 2 as b. Yes friends, now we'll try to relate with the formula a plus b. So our formula was a plus b, a minus b. This is the thing that is to be given. So we'll try to relate it and I will show you that how it gets related with that. This is the formula I have written. So let's try to solve it. A plus b, that means a we have assumed as y square. I am putting y square plus 3 by 2. Similarly a means y square and b means minus 3 by 2. As we have written the sum and it can be related with our formula also. I hope you all might be getting it till now. The simple thing that we are supposed to do now is put the value of a, that means y square, and square again, and b raised b square, that means 3 by 2 square. I hope you all might be getting. Now friends, what we are supposed to do, y square of square square, that means 2 multiplied by 2. How we are solving it? 2 plus 2, that is to be added, or 2 multiplied by 2. So our answer would be 4. 2 is to be added. How? But here it would be multiplied. How? What's the difference between that 2 is, if it is outside the bracket then it would be multiplied, but if it is in addition, that is also another concept. So let's start with that concept only. If it is y square plus y square, then it would be y as common, 2 plus 2. that also results in 4. But here our question was y square whole bracket square. Yes, so it should be there, it should be multiplied. So by that we have got 4 and minus 3 square means 9 and 2 square means 4. So 2 2s are 4, so our answer would be y4 minus 9 by 4. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was easier sum. So let's begin with the fifth sum for the day. Yes friends, so let's begin with the fifth sum. If you are capable of doing the fifth sum by your own, pause the video and try to solve by your own. I am solving here for you. So let's begin with the fifth sum. Our fifth sum is 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. So the formula I can use is x plus y, x minus y. This formula can be used that we have used in the previous sum also. So first let's write the formula x plus y, x minus y. This is the formula and answer is x square minus y square. We all are capable of doing that. Now we will relate it with our question. Question is 3 minus 2x. Yes friends, or 3 plus 2x. That can be changed, 3 minus 2x over here and 3 plus 2x over. Yes, so after putting into the formula, what we can get is friends, x is to be related as 3 and y is to be related as 2x. Yes friends, we can get that also. In the previous third or fourth sum also we can do like that also. But why we have not done this thing in third sum? Because there 3x plus 4 was there, and on the other side it was 3x minus 5. I hope you all might be getting it friends, that why we have not done this thing in third sum and why we are doing over here in fifth sum. I hope that would be clear to you. Yes friends, so let's begin with the fifth sum. So we have to just put the value of x and y. The value of x would be 3 square and y is 2x, that means 2x the whole square. So our answer would be 9 minus 2 square 4 and x square as it is. So our answer is 9 minus 4x square. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was easier sum. So let's begin with the next sum for the day. So friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the videos on prior basis also, because it is posted late in my schools group. Yes, as per schedule, as per timetable. So from my YouTube channel you can get updated when the video is made and when it is updated in our school group. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So for getting updated with my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. That is also the advantage of subscription. Yes friends, so let's begin with the first sum of second type. Yes, so let's begin with the first sum, that is 103 into 107. Can you see any formula over here? But I can see one formula over here. So what formula I am going to use is a plus b into x plus a into x plus b. That formula can be used. How? Let's try to relate it with that. X plus a into x plus b. This is the formula that we are going to use, and the answer would be, what would be the answer friends? X square plus a plus b x plus ab. This would be the answer. I hope you all might be getting it, and we all know how to do it. So let's try to relate it with our question, that how we are going to get that. So it would be 100 plus 3, that we can write as per our sum, and it would be 100 plus 7. Yes friends, so what we can do, x means 100 square plus a means 3 and b means 7 and x means 100. I am just putting the values so that we can get the answer. I hope you all might be getting it friends. Now 100 square, we all know 10,000 would be our answer. 10,000, 3 plus 7, that means 10. It should multiply with 100 plus 3 into 7, 21. Now 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21, that means 11,021. I am not showing you how I have added, as you are in now 9th standard. You all might be knowing that how to add it easily. 10,000 plus 1,000, that means 11,021 rupees more, that means 11,021, that we can solve it easily. So let's begin with the second sum for the day. If you have understood the concept, you can pause the video and try to solve the second sum by your own friends. Yes, so let's begin with the second sum for the day. That is to be 95 into 96, that we can relate it as a x minus a x into x minus b. That formula can be written as x minus a x minus b. That formula is, as I already told you, that formula is x square plus, yes, a plus b. If you cannot relate it with that formula, or you don't remember that formula, then you can solve it by this formula also. Only the change would be of minus sign only, friends. So let's try to solve it over here by that method only, the normal method, that is x plus a or x minus a. Only the sign would be changed, as we all know. You can solve it by that method also. You can also put that formula, but this is the mixture of the two formula. So try to understand. If you are not capable, then you can use that method also. By using that formula, I have already told you, you have to use this formula, x minus a into x minus b. Yes, x means 100 square, a means minus 5, b means minus 4, x means 100. Now into a means minus 5 and b means minus 4. Now 100 square, that means 10,000. Yes, friends. Now minus 5 into minus 4, that would be minus 9. Minus 9 into 100, that would be minus 900. Yes. Minus 5 into minus 9, that would be minus 900. Now minus 5 into minus 4, as per the sign rule, minus minus will become plus. Our answer would be plus 20. So how we are going to solve? 9120 is my answer. You can easily solve it, as you are in now ninth grade. But then also I will show you that how we have solved this. 10,000 minus 880, we can directly do, that means 9120 would be our answer. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with the third sum. This basic calculation plays a lot of role in solving math sum, so that you can solve it easily and faster compared to your friends. So let's begin with the last sum for the day, that is 104 into 96. Yes, friends, we can relate it with the same formula. If x plus a into x minus a, that formula can be related as x plus a into x minus a. So we'll get it as x square minus a square. I hope you all might be getting it, and try to relate it with the formula. This is x plus 4 and this is 100 minus 4. Why this formula can be used? Because the value of x and value of a is 4. That's why I have used this formula, x plus a into x minus a. That's why it can be written as x square minus a square. Now we will put the value of x. So let's put the value of x. Before doing that sum, friends, if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel also. So 100 square would be 10,000 minus 4 square would be 16, and we all know how to multiply it, minus it, that means 9,984 would be our answer. So friends, that was for today itself. So if you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you all.